Hi friends, I'm Lysa TerKeurst, and I am on a cruise in the Mediterranean in the beautiful ship called Odyssey of the Seas. We are going to some amazing places, and I'm going to do a lot of biblical study in some of those places. Now, why would I be doing all that study? Because I'm getting ready to bring you. It's going to be incredible. You're going to be able to go to some beautiful Greek Isle sites, and you're going to be able to study in Ephesus, which you know is where Paul directed his letter to the Ephesians, and Crete. We're also going to be going to Mykonos, Santorini. My point is, it's going to be a trip of a lifetime. Now, here's the secret. The spots are really, really limited. So if you're interested in going, please book now. I don't want you to miss this. This is going to be a trip of a lifetime. So please join me August 25th through September 3rd, 2024 on this incredible Mediterranean cruise and adventure. I can't wait to see you there.